Hello everybody, today we make a meatball. In Italy we call it polpette, and over here we call it meatball. Now to make a meatball, I got over here 1.5 pounds of the chuck roast, I got 1.5 pounds the shoulder, the pork shoulder, I got 3 cloves of garlic I chop already, and I got the fresh parsley from my garden, it's a chop. I got to use 3 eggs. I got 1 cup of pecorino cheese I shred already. I got 1 cup of the breadcrumb, and I got the black pepper, and I got sea salt to use. Okay, now we start with the meatball. I got this nice parts over here, and we start with the meat, the beef. It's 1.5 pounds, like I said before, and the pork. Okay. I got the chopped garlic, the fresh parsley. Now we put eggs. You need the eggs. Like this, you keep the meat more together. The eggs, it's done. Now we use the breadcrumb. I got a black pepper. And sea salt. Now, sea salt, I measure like this, you gotta know how many meat. I use, let's say, this little spoon. 1, 2, and 3. It's enough of the salt. And I got my pecorino cheese over here. Okay. Okay, now we gotta mix this. I don't use gloves. I wash my hand, it's clean. That's the way I do. And this, we mix really good, you gotta mix. When I was in Italy, we was making the polpette, but not the polpette that you make every day. The meatball, it's only for the feast, big holiday, or maybe on Sunday. And you make a good sauce, and you got a nice dish of the rigatoni, or you can use any kind of the pasta. I think over here in America, get a nice loaf of bread, you stick a couple of meatballs, split in half, and you put in the bread, a little good tomato sauce, and you enjoy yourself with the meatball. Now, another thing for the meatball, I always make extra. But this, one time you cook, you can cool off and you can put on the freeze, and you freeze. When you need, you pick it up, you defrost, and you put on the sauce, or you can eat like this. It's really good. Now, it's the time of the taste. Now, everybody says, Pasquale, but the meat, it's raw. I'll taste all the time. I don't know. It's good. Tastes good. Perfetto. Perfect. Okay, now we gotta start to do the meatball. And do the meatball, you gotta roll, but you gotta roll like a boss, like fast like this. And you gotta measure by hand. And the oven it's on already, I got a 400 degree. Okay, I make 4 each roll. It come out good, this meatball. When you eat this, a little chin chin, a salute to everybody, it's really good. Okay, now it's time of the meatball. You gotta go in the oven. And this, you gotta cook for 25 minutes. And after it cook for 25 minutes, I got over here my beautiful sauce. And we gotta have a good dinner tonight. And I don't want to miss my glass of wine. Everybody, you like when I say salute e chin chin. After I do the salute e chin chin with everybody, and we do nice step. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. My meatball and my polpette. Good. Okay, let me check my meatball. Oh, look how beautiful my meatball. My meatball, it's done. And I can't wait, I want to taste this meatball. I want to take one little tomato sauce. right? Oh, look. Look at this. No, the best thing to do the meatball like this, the put in the oven. It's nice. It come out nice. Look at this, how beautiful. It tastes good. And with this meatball tonight, I gotta have a feast. And with a nice glass of wine, I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin.